Welcome back to my channel Avartha Studios. Today again we are back with a requested recipe. Yes, today we will be preparing sweet bread recipe at home. This bread can be used to make toast, sandwiches, etc. So let's check out the ingredients and start with the recipe. Before starting with the recipe, we will be requiring some lukewarm water. So first we will be boiling little water. We will be requiring only lukewarm water. So in the meantime, we will be adding around 2 cups of maida. Sieve this maida around 2 to 3 times. To this, we will be adding some 2 to 3 tablespoons of salt. 2 tablespoons of sugar and instant dry yeast. You get this yeast in the form of pellets also. If you get the yeast in the form of pellets, you will be soaking that in lukewarm water for around 15 minutes. If the yeast is powdered, you can directly add it to the dough. Now this water is ready and this is at the lukewarm water. So now we will be using this water. Before adding this water, just give this dough a mix. Add water little by little and start mixing it. If you use boiling water while kneading the dough, the yeast will be killed. Don't make the dough very thick. You need to knead this for around 15 to 20 minutes. You can knead it as it is or you can transfer it on the kitchen countertop. You need to knead this dough for 20 minutes. So now we'll be transferring this on the kitchen cooktop. Just dust it with some little flour. Start kneading this. You can use both your hands to knead. The more you knead the dough, the bread becomes fluffier. If the dough is too watery and the dough is sticking to your hands, you can just dust it with little maida and knead it. After kneading for 15 minutes, start tucking all the sides. Then smear little oil on this. You need to apply both the sides. Cover this with a wet cloth and rest this for around 2 hours so that the fermentation of the yeast takes place. This was under rest for around 2 hours. Now we will be opening this and saying, you can just notice that the dough has been doubled and the yeast has been fermented very nicely. Again we'll be kneading this for around 5 minutes. You can just take it again on the countertop and start kneading this. Just dust the countertop with little flour and start kneading this. You need to punch like this and start kneading so that all the air bubbles will be removed. Now we'll be kneading this into a very soft dough. Start folding and tucking the dough like this. Pinch it at the edge. Now we'll be using this pan to cook the bread. Just grease it with oil. In a brush, just smear it all over. And keep this dough inside this baking pan. You can just press a little so that it takes the shape of the mold. Again, cover this with a damp cloth and we'll be resting this for around 30 minutes. Now it's been 20 minutes. You can just see it has doubled in size again. Preheat the oven at 180 degrees for 10 minutes and bake this for 20 minutes at 180 degrees centigrade. So we'll be baking this in the convection oven. The bread has been baked now. We will be taking it out of the oven. The bread has been baked perfectly and you can see the crust top, that is golden brown top, is formed on the bread. If you find this little dry, you can smear little oil in this and just smear it using a brush. You can cover a damp cloth and leave it until it cools completely. This bread has completely cooled. Now we'll be unmolding it from the tin. This is ready now to be cut into pieces. If you don't like to use maida, you can replace maida with either wheat flour or even oats flour. So now this is fluffy and this is ready to eat or make some toast and sandwiches. If you like our videos, do subscribe to our channel Avatar Studios and also hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload new videos. Thank you.